Meghalaya Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh on Monday said the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy (NEA) should further adopt research on traditional medicines and practices in the state. She also informed that the government will ensure that the traditional healers of the state also get equal coverage in this huge Government of India plan. While stressing on the need of NEA to put all efforts to adopt more research on locally available practices which are common among the tribes of the Garos, Khasis and the Jaintias, the health minister said that the government will fight for the traditional healers to also get a fair opportunity to benefit from this institution.
You may bring us a traditional practice like the Ayush practice here. We must make sure that people can afford it. And there is big promise that Ayush will now be a part of national mainstream healthcare. It will now be part of the system over and above homeopathy. So we will fight that our traditional healers also get a fair opportunity to benefit from this institution.
The Union Minister of